Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. Today is Friendship Any Day. This wonderful open collaboration is hosted by Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic. So I am filming this a little late. I've just been busy. I've received some wonderful holiday cards from such talented, crafty friends. One of them is Felicia from FP Handmade. And she sent me this beautiful card. Oh my gosh, guys. Head on over to her channel. She has a series where she shows how to use your Dollar Tree stickers and create different styles for different themed cards. So she's super talented and I love the style of cards that she makes. Here's one. As a matter of fact, she's the one that's motivated me to finally put those Anna Griffin cards together this year. So thank you for the inspiration, Felicia. You can see that there's embossing here. She's also added dimension with these die cuts and popped it up, and inside it says, "May your days be merry and bright," and it's Felicia. And on the back you'll see her maker's mark. So thank you very much. The next one is from Veronica, which is Christy's Crazy Crafty Life. And again, Veronica's been a very big supporter of so many channels, and she has also hosted a few other open collaborations, like I think it was Monster Mash this year. But I had fun joining that, and this is the card she made. It says "Merry and Bright," love it. And then inside, she's also included a couple of these Christmas tags, which I am definitely going to add to my December daily journal, where I will be writing. It says, "Karamia wishing you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, your crafty friend, Veronica Christie, Christie's Crazy Crafty Life." Thank you. My third card here comes from one of my favorite also crafters and card makers, and it is Sintang Mayumi, and her name's Alma. So Alma, Merry Christmas to you and your family. This is too cute. Look at that cat all tangled up. And again, she also, together with Crafty Mama Diaries, they have, I think it is a 10 card challenge where they pull out certain paper supplies and stamps and then create 10 different cards with it. So here it is, super cute. And then inside it says, "Hi Clarissa, I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. Take care, my friend. Wishing you love, joy, peace this Christmas and throughout the year. Take care." And Alma, and that is her channel. Super awesome. Thank you very much. Now, the next item is a prize winning that I got from another talented crafty friend, and it is Colleen. Her channel name is Jed Art Creation. So let me go ahead and get that package opened, and we will have a look at the beautiful journal that I won from her giveaway. Here is the beautiful Christmas card that she's included. I love it. It says Noel. And then inside we have a beautiful message. "May the happiness of the season fill your holiday and your new year. Merry Christmas, Kara. Thank you for playing along in this giveaway." Thank you so much, Colleen. I am super excited to finally get to this and see the beautiful journal that you made. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Take a look at that. Oh my gosh. You guys, I love birds and anything blue, so this is just amazing. Again, her channel is filled with so much journaling inspiration. You have to see what she makes. I'm sure you will find so much fun stuff in there to draw from when you start making your own journal. So we have this little tie here, and then a beautiful gold bird. I love that. That's really pretty. Okay, let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. Oh wow, I love that. Look at what she's done here. It opens up, and then we have a little tuck spot, perfect to write in front and back. How amazing is this? This is coming off, so let me just go ahead and show you. She has included these printables. Oh my gosh. I think these are cockatoos. And then look at that. It's a falcon. Orchestral falcon, it looks like. That's so awesome. And then we have these gorgeous birds. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I think I'm gonna put these together and probably make an accordion tag journal piece with that. So that is awesome. Then inside, so it's a little folio, and we have a tuck spot here. She's used again the beautiful digital. Look at the way she's created this pocket with the tag there for writing. I love it. And then she has this longer piece here. Love how that's kind of distressed. How fun is that? And then we have this part here. I love these cute little tabs. And then you can write, oh my gosh, I love that pink and the flowers, really beautiful. So this is the pocket. And then we open it up. We have another section here. I wonder if this lifts. I think that's just a tab. Beautiful moth. That's a gorgeous digital too. And then I love that with the kind of coffee stain part. Now what do we have here? Oh, I love it. This will be so much fun when we do a journal with me video. Oh, wow. That's super awesome. In the past, I've been super lucky to have won another journal of hers, and I featured it in one of my journal with me videos. So I'll show you that, or I'll link it at the end if you like to see it. And then here's a little cute pocket with another mini tag. And I love how she's put these cute little labels and tags and created multi-pockets here. Here's another one. Oh my gosh, wouldn't this be fun to use in spring? Oh my goodness, really fun. And then here is the final page. So it closes, and this is the back. How gorgeous is that? I love the feather. This is a gorgeous digital. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Colleen. This has been such a fun year, and oh my gosh, it would not have been fun without all of you guys joining me, commenting, letting me know that you enjoy the content that I share, and also us just interacting individually, and also supporting each other's channel. So I hope that you guys continue to join all of us as we enjoy this wonderful creative journey here in our small crafty community that's actually growing, has grown through the years tremendously. And it's so amazing to find new talent, new inspiration. And I want to thank you all again, to my wonderful crafty friends that send these wonderful cards and wonderful price mail again from Colleen. Thank you so much, Felicia, Veronica, and Alma. Wishing you all a wonderful holiday season. You guys take care. Thanks again for watching. Bye.